name is Kathryn Harlow, and I am a domestic and sexual violence counselor with Fairfax County Domestic and Sexual Violence Services. In my role, I provide free short-term counseling services for survivors and secondary survivors of sexual violence, domestic violence, stalking, and human trafficking, and I provide services both individually and I run a sexual violence support group. My professional background has always been in trauma. I am a registered art therapist and licensed professional counselor. Prior to working with the county, I provided home-based services for families who've experienced sexual trauma and trauma within the family. And then within the county, I've provided trauma therapy for survivors and secondary survivors. The most rewarding aspect of my work is getting to work with individuals that are in crisis and high need of support, and getting to offer them resources and services that they otherwise might not have access to, and to get to bear witness to their healing process even in the short time that we get to work together. I decided to work for the Department of Family Services, and specifically for domestic and sexual violence services, because the values of the agency really lined up with some of the values I had coming into the field, and because it allows me to serve a population I was always really passionate about working with. I think other people should consider working with DFS because they really encourage expanding your knowledge through training opportunities. You get to work with other departments and learn how different agencies work and operate. And there's really a diversity and wealth of experience and knowledge on each of the teams. My hobbies are being outside, being with friends. I like to exercise. I like to make my own art. I like to read a lot. So those are all the things I do to kind of decompress after a long day. Fun fact about me is I have run 3 marathons, and I am scared of dolls.